Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about canload. Earlier we had discussed about route guards. Route guards are used to protect the routes. So these are the different types: can active child, can load, can deactive, resolves. So before we have discussed about can active and can active child. So now we are discussing about the can load. Coming to the can load, this protects the route completely, such as lazy loading the module and also protect all the routes associated with the module. So here let's see with an example. I will create a lazy loading for this by using ng generate module with preferences and hyphen route settings and hyphen module app dot module. It will create a lazy loading, and I'm giving routing. I'm providing this one more thing here. I'm giving path. In the path I'm giving preferences. 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 In the preferences I'm giving load children. In the load children I'm giving in the load children I'm giving hyphen, and in this I'm taking import. In the import I'm taking dot preferences dot module. So you can see the dot, then here you need to give load children. What happened? Showing like a promises type of is required. So I'm providing this promises type of after this promises type of. So I'm providing this here. So now it's fine, right? So I'm completed this. I can implement canload. I'm giving routegaurd here. Routegaurd I have created already, right? So I'm giving routegaurd here. So I'm giving comma after this. So it will show. So in routegaurd I'm giving true.